Christian Hansen, a leading biotech and food ingredient supplier, produces cultures, probiotics, and enzymes for yogurts, cheeses, and dietary supplements, as well as natural colors for the food and beverage industry. When customers see an opportunity to create new foodstuffs, they rely on Christian Hansen to help them develop the product to the correct specifications. For every culture project, Christian Hansen works in the laboratory to try out different approaches, then carries out small-scale trials in a pilot plant, and finally scales up the process for its production plants around the world.
Since 1874, Chris Hansen has been a pioneer in innovative culture and enzyme solutions for the dairy industry. Today we are market leader in all the areas where we are active. Through a network of more than 30 companies, we service more than 10,000 customers in 140 countries around the globe.
Christian Hansen is using data integration as a basis for the sophisticated systems necessary to successfully run its global business and to synchronize and standardize its production processes. The IT system is such a crucial component of the business that Christian Hansen is basically risk-averse. The company had been using a homegrown MES system based on one database, but it became difficult to find trained engineers to maintain it.
What we see is that our IT application, or some of them, are not sufficient enough for the future, let's say, growth of the company, also for the future demand to productivity. So that's why we have initiated this program or solution in order to remove some of these risks.
We have built the new solution choosing Wonderware as our main supplier.
Christian Hansen uses Orchestra technology from Invensis Operations Management to tie together plant activities and information. The new solution is based on S95 and S88 standards.
The Wonderware solution offers a single solution for our customers that spans from the shop floor all the way up to their ERP system. This is a tremendous competitive advantage for our customer base.
The most important benefit of the Wonderware solution will be the standardization of the production process that will minimize the failures and minimize the variations. Together with access to much more data, we will get a deeper knowledge of our production processes and a solid foundation for improvements in quality and efficiency.
Because Christian Hansen has used its own MES for the past 9 years, it has a well-developed set of business processes and rules that it can transfer to the Wonderware software system. The solution has been through a design phase involving a task force that worked on taking all of Christian Hansen's work processes, such as planning and scheduling, batch execution, optimization, and development, into the new system.
The Wonderware operations solution, it gives us a lot of what we call lean possibilities. So it's quite easy to optimize across the plant and sites, and in that way also optimize on the best practice.
This solution will take out complexity of the daily life of the operators. It will create a transparency throughout our value chain, and it will give us a very powerful platform for future improvements.
Invensis and Microsoft have been partners since the beginning of Wonderware. Wonderware started in 1987 and was the first HMI, or human machine interface, solution that was based on a Windows platform.
Since then, Invensis has remained dedicated to providing robust, easy-to-use industrial software based on Microsoft technology. With the .NET framework and BizTalk server, Christian Hansen has been able to develop under one environment, tailor to local site requirements, integrate and scale out to all culture plant locations.
We feel that this solution from Wonderware and the IT platform from Microsoft can give us some competitive advantages. We also know that Microsoft and Wonderware are well-known global companies who can support Christian Hansen in our global support in our factories around the world.
Together, Invensis and Microsoft offer real-time operational visibility and optimized performance to drive profitability.
This new Wonderware solution will enable us to grow even further, business-wise, sales growth. We will see new opportunities within quality, yield improvements, within product supply at Christian Hansen.
Christian Hansen is on the path to having real-time visibility into global production data shared cross-functionally across the company. Supported by the Invensis solution running on Microsoft technology, the result will be better, faster decision-making and optimized processes.